located at Nelson Racing Engines in Chatsworth, California. We're going to talk to Tom Nelson, the owner of Nelson Racing Engines, about a budget motor for the budget Safari.
Like as far as like their rating is like 66,000 best website or something like that, right? Ours is like 2 million. So what we're going to do for Namtra Media, we're going to build a big block for their project Safari on budget. What we're going to do is he brought us a core 454 big block, and we're going to try to maximize what he has here. He's got a 4-bolt block, a cast crank, 3/8 rods, and a set of peanut heads. And we've got a really killer combination that'll make like 575 horsepower and over 600 foot-pounds for this thing. And what we do is we take the peanut heads and we port them out. But we still get the nice port velocity of that small head. We cut the valves to a 2 inch 88 and put a nice piston, do nice machine work, and then we've got a nice cam combination that complements everything. So it's going to be a really killer combination, especially for the Catalina, which is a really big and heavy car. But that thing's going to be snappy. It'll just rip it up.